Always make sure you got good footing when you're on a steep, icy thing. But if you do a slip or fall up here on a steep hill, you can end up sliding down a mountain.
You'll eventually stop.
Hit the subscribe button for more outdoor adventure family content. I hope you enjoyed this video, and more importantly, I hope you're getting outside doing something you love.
Nice.
This is the story of these guys' relationship, eh?
What do you mean?
August works hard, and Luca just cheers him on. Is that true, August?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going on a trip with August and Luca. Just me and the boys. We're heading to Golden, British Columbia to go ski Kicking Horse Mountain Resort. Just going for 2 nights, 3 days. Little boys trip.
Packing up and taking the boys on a trip isn't something I do very often. Anyone who's been a parent knows that parenting can be exhausting. Going on trips like this is a lot of work, but there's just something different about it when it's just me and the boys.
Right by the gondola.
Not to mention, Courtney gets a break from their energy back at home.
Oh, you guys are gonna hurt. That hurt. You hit him in the face.
I think dads are important. They matter. And we need to be conscious of our actions and decisions and time we spend with our kids. Making time to do trips with just the boys is special, and I'm hopeful it's something they will remember.
So I'm gonna go, okay? Okay.
Kicking Horse Mountain has amazing terrain. The gondola whisks you out of the wind and the cold to the upper mountain, which access some amazing grooming in the alpine. There's also lots of hikes and ridges to explore for more advanced riders. On this trip, sometimes we would cruise down the open corduroy, and other times I would nudge the boys to get after it and ski some bigger lines. It was unexpectedly colder than I thought for this time of year, but hiking is a great way to stay warm.
Boys, that is groomer. I know your face is frozen, eh? Luca, that was groomer-tastic. You okay? Luca, I just wait for August, okay?
Luca is only 6 years old, and he did great keeping up with his big bro.
You're not holding the rope anymore?
As a ski patroller, mountain professional, and avid recreationist in the mountains, I want to teach my kids from a young age how to respect and stay safe in the mountains.
This is hard because I have all this stuff. Thanks, August. I think I'm okay. I feel balanced, so maybe just get out of my way when I get up there. You're not holding the rope anymore?
I might go there as well because it goes off to that chamber. Like, it used to go right here.
Nice.
There's a cave!
Nice work, guys. Pretty cool, eh? So guys, when you're in the mountains doing stuff like this, August, just hold up. August, you gotta always make sure you got good footing when you're on a steep, icy thing. Because if you just do one little slip and trip in the parking lot, you fall down on the ground, nothing happens. But if you do a slip or fall up here on a steep hill, you can end up sliding down a mountain. So you always gotta be very sure of your footing. I'm not too worried about you guys here with these steps.
You'll eventually stop.
Yeah, but Luca, what happens if you slide really fast, out of control, go over cliffs, hit rocks or trees? Do you think you're gonna stop hurt or not hurt? hurt. Yeah, and it's serious. So we got to respect our steps and go nice and slow and make sure you know where you're stepping, okay?
Can I go?
Yeah.
Here are more of our highlights from our spring kicking horse trip.
Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like it's takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes. And you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on repeat, just let the beat kick. Everywhere you go, you bring the roof down. Everybody knows you got your own sound. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Yeah, you like it, the way you like it. Oh, yeah, you like it, the way you like it now. Yeah, you like it, the way you like it. Oh, so good, so fresh. Get up on your feet. Show me you got soul. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown.
Were you goofing around, August? What?
I went like this.
Were you coming to push him?
No, look, it just turns into me. No, I didn't know that you were behind me.
Yeah, August, this is like what happened yesterday.
Still counts as turning into me.
Yeah, but August, if you're behind him, it's your fault. It's always your fault. He's allowed to turn left and right whenever he wants. So it's really, are you okay? It's really dangerous to go up beside somebody without them knowing when you're going really fast. I know, but August, you slammed hard. I know, that looked like it hurt. Did you just go down on your hip? Yeah, that was a rough go. You were cruising. You were not going slow. So whenever you're going really close to somebody fast, it's dangerous. Because if they turn into you, it's a high-speed crash. So when I'm going around somebody I don't know, or if I'm not playing around, I go around them with a lot of space. So that way.
I was going like this, and this is Luca, and then he just goes like this, and just like turns.
August, I need to get it in your head. It's not Luca's fault.
I know that, but I'm telling you that he did that.
So it's your responsibility to give as much space as you need to pass safely, or don't pass. Slow down.
That's what Coach Sammy said.
That's the rule of skiing. That's the responsibility code. It's always the person who's downhill you gets to go wherever they want to go. And if you're going to pass them, you need to go around them with enough space. And if you can't pass safely because it's really narrow, then you got to wait until it widens up and you can go way around them. Right? And it's okay, August. So we often go up to each other on roads and go side by side and have fun with each other, but it's a bit risky. So sometimes what I do is I yell. I say, coming up behind you, or like, remember when we do our ski trains and I hug you? And then you know, Luca, like you guys know I'm coming to give you a bear hug. Because if I don't tell you, you could like ski into me or like crash.